Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So the summer is here. A lot of us are heading off to Europe. Unfortunately, I'm not. But I would just love to go over some nice, fun summer styles that will keep you cold, but also help you look very nice and suit it. I love Italy. It's a biased country for me. My family is from Italy, but I also spent 2 months there with my husband last year, and it's just my favorite country. So I just want to go over all of the fun and cute things that you can wear to make your summer vacation look absolutely fabulous. Okay friends, so I am so excited to share this video with you. I love all these outfits. They are so cute. I can't get over how beautiful some of them are. And I'll go over all the details with you very soon and why you should make these part of your next Italian adventures. Since it's going to be hot there, I chose to deal with more linen fabrics or cotton linen blends. That's either very light and breathable. You can see these shirts are very nice and light and airy. And even this dress over here, it's super light, it's thin, and it's very breathable. It will be very nice even at nighttime to wear. That way it's not too hot because it is a little bit of a longer dress. So most of these clothes are on a budget that I chose to purchase them at. A lot of the stuff is from either Winners or Marshalls, and everything was priced very reasonably. These shorts were from Aritzia. Right now they're probably a little bit back up in price. I got 20% off. They just had their sale, so I thought it was a great time to take advantage of these shorts because I love them. I have another pair of them. This stuff is from Winners. This was gifted from me from one of my friends. Her Instagram account is Style Not Brand. And this Ted Baker purse is really cute too. I purchased it a couple years ago, but it's a nice pop of color in contrast with the other things. Okay, so my outfits, most of the stuff is from Winners. I just purchased some recently, but how super cute is this top? The littlest details make it so romantic and fun. If you're staying in southern Tuscany and you're staying in an agriturismo, I would recommend wearing something like this. The linen is very fun. You can hang out by the farm and by the pool, do some wine tasting, and you can also cover it up if you don't feel so comfortable. But you have lots of choices and fun ways to play around. Okay, this next outfit is super cute. Let's say you're just hanging out in Positano or you're around the Amalfi Coast. This is super cute, either if you want to go for dinner at nighttime, grab a drink, or if you're heading down to the beach, you can pair it with a cute purse. And if you want, you can bring your sun hat, and it looks so luxurious. These shorts were from Aritzia. They just had their sale if you haven't had the chance to get a pair. So they should still have them. And the rest of the stuff, these are from Winners, and this hat is from Bikini Village that I purchased years ago. Okay, and the last item I have chosen to share with you is this absolutely gorgeous dress that was gifted to me by one of my best friends and style blogger, Style Not Brand. Her name is Nikki, but I'm absolutely obsessed with this dress. How beautiful is it? Yeah, how romantic the detailing is with the sleeves and the frills. This dress would be so cute if you're heading out at a night in Amalfi, or if you're walking the streets in Tuscany and grabbing a great bite to eat. This dress won't let you down. It is super cute and super light, and I'm pretty sure everyone will compliment you on it. If you like, you can either style it with something a little bit more with a little bit of a color. That way it has a little bit of pop, which I just love this color combination. It's such a classic look. Okay, so now let's say that you're going to a vineyard, you're in Montalcino getting some amazing red wine, and you wanted to wear something cute to the vineyard. A nice woven purse. I got the silver on here, so it adds a little bit of shine and detail. I always love a little bit more of a flair. And even to dress it up with a nice big sun hat, you can't go wrong with these. Just try not to wear them inside because it is considered rude to wear hats inside in Italy. So just another little trick for you. These earrings were purchased very recently as well from Winners. I was so happy with them. They're super cute. I believe they were only around $20, which you can't go wrong. I feel like they just add a perfect pop of color, and I always like to be a little bit more fancy. So I feel like these were nice to either dress up at nighttime or just dressing up a casual outfit during the day. Okay, and finally is this cute little purse that I purchased from Winners not too long ago. Speaking of Italian, it is Italian genuine leather made from Florence. It is very light and very versatile. It has a longer strap that goes along with it, so if this is bothering you, and you can wear it around your shoulder. But it was a great find. I believe it was around $39, but I thought it was a good price for good quality. Okay, everyone, so I hope you enjoyed this episode. I hope it was helpful to give you some ideas for your next beautiful Italian vacation this summer. If you would like to know anything else, please leave a comment and I will try to get back to you. And thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my